Maintaining data management is important for the smooth operation of the company. But using a manual method for processing it incurs high cost and is prone to errors. Fintelite is here to help your company digitize and automate the process. You can experience seamless data extraction from one integrated dashboard. If inputting documents manually spent around 10 minutes, utilizing Fintelite, bid farewell to those lengthy burdening tasks, as your data entry will done faster only in seconds. Now let's take a closer look at how you can operate efficient data processing with Fintelite. First, go to https://app.fintelite.ai. Log in with your email and password. Getting started with simply clicking the Upload button. Several document types are available for you to choose. For example, we choose Invoice. Drop your document file, and it will be swiftly read by the system. Click Upload, wait for seconds. And yay! Your document has now been successfully extracted. To see the result, refresh the dashboard. Click Scan Files. We can find extracted output just by clicking on the preferred file, and the result preview will appear. In addition to labeled Data Preview, there are some other menus, such as View JSON to see the result in JSON format, and File Detail to see the file properties. If you think you should modify an item on the label, click Edit Label button and adjust it as per your needs. Let's say we want to edit an item from the document result. So, we can click on the item you want to change, edit the text, and save the updates. You can also download your document reading result. To save the document to your devices, just check the boxes next to the ID column. Scroll to the bottom to find the Download XLS menu, and adjust your file format settings to download. The result will be automatically saved on your devices. Another example, if you want Upload Tax Invoice, click Upload menu and select Tax Invoice in the document types. Drop your document file, and it will be swiftly read by the system. Then, click Upload to continue process. Wait for seconds, and your document has now been successfully extracted. To see the result, refresh the dashboard. Click Scan Files. We can find extracted output just by clicking on the preferred file, and the result preview will appear. Here, you can also make adjustment on the items by clicking the Edit Label button. One more example. If you want Upload Purchase Orders, return to the Upload page and select Purchase Order section. Drop your document file, click Upload, and wait a few seconds for your document to be successfully extracted. To see the result, you can move to the Scan File, set the purchase order in document type, and click the specific document you want to view in detail. Same as the previous method, if you want to modify an item, you can directly click Edit Label and make changes according to your standard. That's all how Fintelite digitizes documents in just a few seconds. Let's give it a try.